Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on React's useDeferredValue hook, a modern solution for optimizing data rendering in your applications. In today's fast-paced digital environment, users expect seamless and responsive interfaces, even when dealing with complex data operations. This is where useDeferredValue comes into play, allowing for smoother interactions by deferring non-urgent updates. Throughout this video, we'll dive deep into how this hook enhances performance, ensuring your React applications remain both efficient and responsive. Whether you're a developer looking to improve user experience or someone keen to understand advanced React concepts, this session will provide valuable insights. To understand useDeferredValue, let's consider its role in the broader context of React's architecture. React is built on the concept of rendering components based on state and props changes. However, not all updates require immediate rendering. Some operations, like user input, need to happen instantaneously, while others, such as rendering large datasets, can be deferred for a smoother experience. The useDeferredValue hook introduces a way to distinguish between these operations. By deferring non-critical updates, we ensure that high-priority interactions remain unhindered. Imagine a busy highway where fast lanes are reserved for urgent vehicles, while others are directed to slower lanes, ensuring traffic flows efficiently. Similarly, useDeferredValue helps prioritize updates, enhancing your application's performance. This understanding is crucial for developers aiming to build applications that are both responsive and efficient. Let's look at a practical implementation of useDeferredValue in a React application. We'll walk through an example where a search bar filters a large dataset. The project structure consists of several files, but we'll focus on the App.js file where useDeferredValue is implemented. Here we define a state variable, query, which captures the user's input. The useDeferredValue hook is then used to create a deferred version of this query. By passing this deferred query to the results list component, we ensure that the input remains responsive, while the rendering of the results is deferred. This approach not only improves performance but also enhances the overall user experience by prioritizing critical interactions. Now let's take a closer look at the code. Closer look. In our demonstration, we explore how useDeferredValue enhances user interactions in a search feature. Initially, as we type into the search input, the application captures each keystroke. Without useDeferredValue, this would trigger a full re-render, potentially leading to lag. However, with useDeferredValue, the search input remains fluid and responsive, while the rendering of the results is efficiently managed in the background. As we change the search terms, the results list updates smoothly, reflecting the new query without any noticeable delay. This seamless experience highlights the power of useDeferredValue in optimizing React applications, ensuring that users enjoy a fast and interactive interface even when handling large datasets. In conclusion, the useDeferredValue hook is a powerful tool in the React ecosystem, offering a sophisticated way to handle state updates by deferring non-urgent renders. This strategy is invaluable for applications dealing with heavy data processing, as it maintains the delicate balance between responsiveness and efficiency. As you integrate useDeferredValue into your projects, consider the specific needs of your application and how best to prioritize updates for optimal performance. Experiment with real-world scenarios and observe the tangible improvements in user experience. Thank you for joining this session, and I encourage you to implement these strategies in your own applications to unlock their full potential.